Okay, after you've finished your photo and you've decided which one to upload to the Google Slide, you're going to open this Google Slide that I've created and shared with you right here in Canvas. This is where I'm going to put it. So what you'll need to do is click here, and you want to add a new slide that you can insert a picture with. So the easiest way to do that, I think, is just to click on a title one. You're going to type in your name, and then here you just want to say I want to insert an image, and I'm upload from your computer unless it's saved to your Google Drive, then you can connect that way. So I'm going to click on this one and hit open, and then my image appears right there. And you can move it around to center it, or you can stretch it to make it a little bigger if you want. If you really want to get technical, you can format the picture to have a border around it and all that kind of stuff. But you don't have to. So that's what I want. So I should see everyone add their name and a picture down below here. And again, I just click the plus sign and it will add one. If you just click the plus sign, it will add one identical to the one I created. If not, you can pick from here. So do that and submit your 6 pictures on Canvas.